Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and recently in a job lot of padlocks I found a couple of locks from RS, who are RS. RS are a industrial and electronic products reseller, and they have their own branded products as well. I think they're based in the UK, and yeah, they're a really big company. RS Components they're called, not a sponsor. But yeah, nevertheless, I have a couple of locks here that are RS branded. Like I said, I don't think they manufacture them themselves, but they might, who knows. This one is the beautifully named 8274417, made in China, and this slightly nicer looking one in brass is the 622351. So yeah, I mean, they're probably quite low security little padlocks. This one's made in Taiwan, that one's made in China. Let's give this a go, I guess. Let's see what we can do. So got these horrible, oh, I suppose I could tear it. It's going to just be easier to cut it with scissors, isn't it? Horrible blister pack things. That will do, won't it? Put that to one side, take that out, make sure it actually works. Yep. Seems to be, doesn't say anything about it on here apart from it's a 30mm padlock, and it's a professionally approved product. Whatever that means, I have no idea. Looks like a little 4-pinner. Throw that to one side. Let's grab a little turning tool. I think that should go in there. Get a short hook, because why not? And have a go at this. See what it takes to get into this professionally approved product. Not a lot. Okay, moving on. We've got this one as well. Let's have a look. I mean, these are clearly low security locks, so you know, I'm not holding too much faith in them. Okay, pin 1 is binding really heavily on this one. Into a bit of a false set. 4 there was just set. 3 there was just set. Going back through. Back to pin 1 here. Binding. Oh, that's a click and a half. 2, no, setting 2. Don't think I set 1 properly. There we go. That's better. That's 3 there, giving us counter rotation. Nothing on 2, nothing on 1, so it must be somewhere at the back. Trying to get 4, nothing. This one's giving you. This one's got spools in, which is nice. So it's holding me back a little bit more. Back to pin 1. Oh, and we just hit pin 3 and we're open. So that was a little bit more tricky. I've got some little spool pins in there. Probably better bitting as well. Where's the other key? Definitely see the difference better bitting makes on those. I just thought that took surprisingly long time to pick, so we'll have another go at picking this. See if I can get a little bit faster on it. Now I've picked it once. So pin 1 just seems to bind straight away, and that sets. 2 there is a bit sort of clicky, but nothing. 3 is as well. So yeah, that did take longer than I expected. So let's have another go at it now that I've picked it once, and see whether I can sort of speed that pick up a little bit. That's 3 gave me a little something. Then so did 1. And that's 2. It looks like 1, 2, 3 gives counter rotation, and we are open. So yeah, that's a lot quicker once we sort of know the tricks of the lock. Knows it's got spools in. Not too shabby, actually, all things considered. I've picked a lot worse than that. If we compare the keys, you can see that the bitting of the brass one is so much better, with sort of super high, low, medium, as opposed to this, which is a lot more kind of almost flat at a slight downward angle. So yeah, the bitting definitely makes up for a lot, and the spools. Huge difference in the way these two locks pick just because of the bitting and the fact it's got security pins in. And I think there's a lesson in there somewhere. Anyway, let me know what you think to these locks. I mean, so anyway, let me know if you've ever picked any RS branded padlocks. I don't come across them very often. I've picked a couple in the past, I think. But yeah, if you've ever picked any of these, let me know if there are any good ones to look out for. I do read all the comments and reply to as many as I can. If you like this video, leave me a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do it. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.